the very heart of Paris, on the banks of the River Seine, stands a palace that holds more secrets than any other building in the world, the Louvre, a symbol of power, beauty, and history, where every stone breathes the stories of kings, revolutionaries, and dreamers. Welcome back, everyone. It all began in the 12th century, when King Philip II built a fortress to protect his city. A fortress is a building or a complex of buildings used as a military stronghold. That fortress, cold, grey and unshakable, was never meant to house art. It was meant to keep enemies out. But destiny had other plans. Centuries later, French kings turned the old fortress into a royal palace, a home of magnificence and luxury. The walls that once echoed with soldiers' boots now glittered with chandeliers and silk curtains. It became a palace of dreams. Then came the French Revolution. The monarchy fell, and in 1793, the Louvre opened its door, not to kings, but to the people. That day, history changed forever. A royal palace became a museum. Today, the Louvre stretches across over 240,000 square meters, making it the largest museum in the world. It holds more than 600,000 artifacts, from ancient civilizations to modern masterpieces, though only about 35,000 are displayed at a time. To walk through the Louvre is to walk through 5,000 years of human creativity. There are 8 departments: Egyptian antiquities, Greek and Roman sculptures, Islamic art, paintings, decorative arts, and more. Each corner tells a different story, from pharaohs and goddesses to emperors and artists. And then, of course, the Mona Lisa. She sits quietly in the dead-end wing, small, serene, and surrounded by crowds. Painted by Leonardo da Vinci, stolen once in 1911, she returned to become the most famous painting in the world. Her smile, mysterious, magnetic, and unexplainable, has inspired millions. But she's not alone. Nearby stands the winged Victory of Samothrace, a marble goddess frozen mid-flight. Each masterpiece, a moment of perfection captured forever. In 1989, architect I.M. Pei added the Glass Pyramid, a bold modern entrance that caused controversy. Many Parisians hated it at first, a glass pyramid in a royal courtyard. But time proved its genius. Today, the pyramid shines like a crystal heart, connecting the old and the new, tradition and innovation, side by side. The Louvre welcomes over 9 million visitors every year. Artists, students, historians, and travelers come not just to see art, but to feel it. Inside these walls, you don't just learn history, you live it. The entry fee is modest, around 9 francs for the permanent collection, but what you receive in return is priceless. So, when you stand before the glass pyramid, remember, you're standing where time itself has chosen to pause. Thanks a lot for watching. Kindly subscribe, like and share for more journeys into the wonders of the world.